Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a new shop and grow a garden game of Roblox Safari Update Part 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Safari Update Part 2 has been dropped in Grow a Garden and the admin has added new shop and the shop will appear every hour. And this is the new shop guys. It's called the Safari Joe and it only appear every hour, so make sure that you stand by every hour and grow a garden to meet this shop. And you can submit your pet to this NPC guys, and then you will be able to get reward from this NPC. I'm going to show you the rewards. Okay, and these are the possible rewards from submitting your pet, and it depends on the pet value. Okay, and I recommend you to submit the rare pet so you will get more values, and of course you will get more valuable reward. And for example, I'm going to submit one of my pet. I'm going to submit this pet. Let's try. I'm going to click on submit held pet. Oh my god, I just got Safari egg. It's not that worth, but yeah, that's okay. I got Safari egg. And yeah, okay guys, that's how you can meet the new shop in Grow a Garden game of Roblox Safari Update Part 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!